Hello and welcome to the tutorial of Apify. Apify is a tool which you can use for web scraping, sending automations and data management, etc. You can scrape the data from the websites and get leads. Apify and Phantom Buster is currently my favorite tools which I use to scrape and extract leads from the websites. You can check out the tutorial of Phantom Buster and also can use Apify for free in the description below. So without wasting any time, let's get straight dive into it. On the homepage of the Apify website, you will need to click sign up for free, and then you will see that you can sign up with your Google account or your email or your GitHub. So after signing up, you will see your dashboard like this. Here you can see a lot of actors which you can use to scrape data, leads, etc. You can extract data of Facebook posts, scrape data from the websites, even extract data from apollo.io. You can see different types of actors on the top of the Apify store page. You can see social media actors, AI, automation, e-commerce, business, marketing, etc. Let's say now I want to scrape data from the websites, so I will search web scraper in the search bar. After that, I will click on the first option. Now here I want to put the URL of the website of which I want to scrape the data. For example, in this case, I want to scrape the data from invideo.io, so I will put the URL of invideo.io here. You can change the settings according to your need and then click save and start. After that, the actor will start scraping the data from the website. You can run the actor as long as you need and stop by clicking the abort button. Now I will click on export button, and now you can see that I can download it or save it in the CSV file, Excel sheet, etc. In the actors section, you can see the actors which you have recently used, and in the store section, you can see other actors as well, like social media actors, etc. As long as you started using this platform, you will be familiar with this very quickly. Like Phantom Buster, you can also scrape data from the Instagram, Facebook posts, TikTok, and other social media platforms as well. Let's say now I want to scrape data from Facebook posts, so I will use this actor now. Now in this page I need to put the URL of the Facebook account of which I want to scrape the Facebook posts. You can select the number of results here which you want to scrape, and you can also select the time frame of the Facebook post, like you need the recent post or the old posts. You can also do the settings according to your need and then click start. Scraping the data of the Google Maps is very simple here. You need to just add the city or the country and the business of which you want to scrape the data. You can select the number of places per search. You can also scrape deep data of the city and also add the search area by other geolocation. You can select country, state, city, etc. You can select other categories as well, like doctor, accountant, chiropractors, etc. Also, you can add the URL of the Google Maps, the URL of which you want to scrape the data or the leads. After selecting all the settings according to your need, you can basically click save and start. It will take some time, then after that you can download it in the CSV file or Excel sheet, etc. Apify is a great tool for your lead generation business. But my personal favorite is Phantom Buster. You can check out the tutorial of Phantom Buster in the description below. You can extract data from LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, Google, Instagram, etc. You can also schedule different types of actors. Let's say I want to schedule an actor. So I will click on the create new button. Then after that, you will see this page where you can decide that how you want to schedule or when you want to schedule your actor. Do you want to run it hourly or daily? You can also select the time zone according to your need, and also you can run it weekly. You can select the days for the scheduling process. You can also select the dates of a month when you want to use it or schedule it. And after selecting all the settings according to your need, you can basically click save and enable. As I said before, when you will start using this platform, you will be familiar with this and you will know that how to use it properly for your business. You can try it for free in the description below and also get my 200 plus best AI tools free list. And yeah, that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.